almost finished packing. This has gotten well and truly out of hand. I've got the little scale, hand scale. This needs to be under 32 kilograms. So we've got the main suitcase here. This has got basically my entire life. A surfboard bag here, which has got half of my life. I weighed it before and it was like 31, but I've added heaps of stuff. So flight out tonight at 7 o'clock. It's 2:20, but we've got a few people we want to say goodbye to, so it'd be good to wrap this up. I'm not confident. All right. Oh, that's heavy. 32 kilos, let's go. 33, not good. What that means is I'm gonna have to shift a kilo from here into that surfboard bag. The heaviest surfboard bag in the world. Pumas are coming out. 32, all right, cool, perfect. That's done. This is, you do not want to look in here. This is absolutely chaotic. Qantas is going to hate me. All right, here we are. We are all set for our adventure. My life is now in 3 bags. Goodbye, Adelaide. It's been fun. Going to catch up with some friends now. Beautiful blue sky. We're near the beach. Be nice little end to this chapter. Flight to catch 737-800. 3, 2, 1.
You're welcome to use handheld devices during takeoff.
Alright, just got back from my US visa interview, went really well, and whilst I was there, I got an email from Recreational Aviation Australia with my pilot certificate. Officially issued with a recreational pilot certificate, so can now legally operate light sport aircraft in Australia. That is huge. That's the first proper certificate that I've received in my aviation career or my aviation life. So it's the first proper certificate I've received, which is so cool. I think they actually issue you a card, and it's probably going to come to my address in Adelaide. I'm in Perth right now, so I'm going to need to get that pushed to me. But what a day. These interviews are always funny. You go there and you're like, what am I expecting here? And the environment's a little bit tense, so you're always a little bit on edge. And then just before I went in, I got this email and bang, spirits were lifted up, confidence went through the roof. I was like, I'm a pilot now. And actually one of the questions I got asked, because they said, oh, what's your occupation? I said, I'm an aerospace engineer going over to be a flight test engineer. They're like, oh, are you a pilot? And I said, no, actually, yes. Yes, I am a pilot, as of about 15 minutes ago. Certified recreational pilot. There's a whole bunch of endorsements and ratings and different approvals underneath this certificate. I have none. So I just have the bare bones recreational pilot certificate. Next goal is a PPL. I'm now waiting for my visa, and then we're going to pop over to Europe. We've got a run planned through Mont Blanc, the French Alps. We've got a couple of friends living in Europe at the moment, so that's going to be awesome. So I need to get prepared for that. I actually need to plan my trip. 10 days away, and I haven't planned a single thing. I've just booked my flight there, so hope the visa comes in time. And we're flying Emirates. We're going to go Emirates from Perth to Dubai on an A380, and then Dubai to Geneva in Switzerland on a 777. I've never actually been on an A380. It's one of the most beautiful aircraft, so I'm excited. A big few months coming up, relocating our entire life, but also trying to squeeze a little Europe trip in there as well. So never been to that part of the world. So we're going to Toulouse. That's a city that I've always wanted to go to in France, in the south of France. So Toulouse is a big aerospace hub. It's where Airbus is situated and headquartered. Yeah, I am stoked. Hi, Pop.
Oh, hi! How are you? You're looking good.
I'm all sweaty.
Oh, you're all sweaty.
All right, my Nana and Pop are over. I thought I'd sneak out here, just catch a glimpse of this beautiful sunset I thought Adelaide sunsets were the best. I think they still are, but Perth giving it a run tonight. Pretty spectacular. I need a shower, so sweaty from leg sesh. And then I'm having some curry cooked by Nana. I'm gonna miss that.
Has anyone ever told Madeline what beautiful hair she's got?
Mother tells me all the time.
Yum, yum, yum.
I've never eaten kangaroo. And the guy said, what do you think we served you that night? I thought it was lobster.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll take the cake. I've had donkey
When did you eat that?
in China. You get it at McDonald's and in a restaurant.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Snakes too, son.
Thanks. Yeah, that's it.
It was amazing. Yeah, that egg curries. What's going on here?
Don't mind my finger.
Don't mind the broken finger. The ultimate chicken wishbone challenge.
I always win.
I've won once.
No, you haven't. The last time you thought you won, you actually lost. We saw.
It could all change here. This might be the last one for about a year. This could break the streak forever. You don't look scared. Oh, this feels strong. My side feels so strong.
You're gonna lose, Kel.
She's actually picked the side.
It's stretchy. Yes!
Yeah.
Fair and square.
Because you got a broken finger. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so I have two very exciting things to present. One of them being this delicious chicken rice bowl that I just whipped up. So good. The next is this big package. This is, I think, honestly going to be my pride and joy for the next few years. This is an air travel backpack. Been scoping this thing out for like over a year. I love my backpacks. I love my organization. 35 litre travel backpack. I like this material, thick nylon. I kind of planned for this to be like my go-to backpack for everything. So it opens up like a clamshell. This is next level. So I'm gonna get some packing cubes. Yeah, nice. Top-down access here to pack this whole section out. You can probably tell I'm loving this. Really cool backpack. How's it look? It looks huge. So, this thing is sweet. Get this on the budget airline hand luggage through Europe. Oh, elite. So we got expandable water bottle holder. And then my favorite compartment from what I saw from the reviews is this tech compartment here. Yeah, tablet in there, chargers, headphones, peripherals, all that stuff. 8 days until we leave. Just got an email from the consulate who's processing visa saying, I think it's been issued. I need to follow up with that. So we need the visa before we leave. I love chicken and rice meals. There was a good 5 years where I was eating the blandest chicken and rice. So bland. Oh my God. Can't even think about it. It was like basmati rice, too much water. It was all soggy. Chicken had no seasoning, frozen broccoli. Oh, couldn't imagine going back there. Still eating chicken and rice, just have dressed it up a lot. All right, in Perth City right now. Just got some trail shoes for Mont Blanc. Wicked weather today. Got to give these a quick spin before we head over to Mont Blanc. I think it's probably smart to actually run in them once before we get there. Made that mistake many times. So the shoes, we've gone with Asics Trabuco Terras. We did the 100K Ultra in Trabucos. No arch support, I don't think, so might wreck me. Let's give them a spin this morning, see how they go. Oh, also, update on my black toenail from last 10Ks of the Ultra. Yep, hasn't fallen off yet, still just hanging in there. It's been 5 weeks now. I have no idea where that's going. Keep you posted. We'll have our vitamins come in stand. 1 vitamin C, 2 fish oils, 1 multivitamin. I don't mind the look of these shoes actually. They feel good. Alright, let's go running. There's Swan River in Perth. You got Elizabeth Quay just here, South Perth foreshore there, and usually in between here they'll operate seaplanes, which is pretty awesome. So today is glassy. It's perfect for that, considering that they have to pick their own runway. Oh, look at this pelican on approach. Oh, the flare. Butter. Saw net. Good run though, that was fun. Shoes were good. Don't mind them at all. If anything, a little bit tight. But other than that, these are sweet. I used to work at a sports retail store for 8 years, so it brings me back. But decent shoe. Although my knees are sore. So can I blame it on the shoe? Nah. Oats and fruit smoothie. Best brand of oats. Red Tractor. Love them.